meeste feestelijk gedeelte, even naar entertainment. En de dame die ik als stage wil roepen, ken ik persoonlijk best wel heel goed, Sherry, hè. Ik vind haar een bepaalde uitstraling, een bepaalde kracht hebben.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get one other chance, one other walk, one other dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, and I hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. But now I'm praying for much too much. But could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again, again, again. My father, my father. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So my number.